the Maggi strips, in the it will be like a straight line from here and here, and you can just put it out. But the small strips as you want the design or something like that. Then place this in the old tray and try to make the adjusting the corner. We are cutting the strip. See, we are just fixing it up with the adhesive.